Halo Sis Ana, how are you today?
Hingga pertengahan Juli. Padahal bulan Juli ini ideal.
Hello, good evening, bro and sis. Sis Wiwi, sis Angel.
Good evening sis.
Good evening, sis.
Hey, how are you today, guys?
Good
I'm
sis.
so
How about
sis.
you?
I'm good today. Thank you for asking. Tadi Susana dengar suara-suara ada yang menyapa, tapi Susana lagi di toilet, guys. I
Nggak
just
apa-apa, sis.
okay, alright. So, kayak udah lama banget ya nggak kelas. Soalnya kita libur cuma only 3 days, 3 hari. Alright. Wait a minute, sebentar. So,
Where
if
did you go, sis?
I went to Jatim Park yesterday.
Oh,
Iya liburan.
liburan.
Yeah, and then at this time I still on the way. Jam segini sana masih di jalan, jadi kayak aduh tidak memungkinkan. Yeah, because this. So, if you don't have a class at this time, what did you do, guys? Kayak lagi nggak ada kelas gitu jam segini biasanya Francis, what did you do?
Lay in the bed.
Late,
Listening the music
listening.
and reading. It's reading Wattpad.
Oh, do you like reading Wattpad, sis?
Yep, always.
Ways, okay, yes, it's kind of entertaining ya.
Yep.
Membaca cerita-cerita story on Wattpad. Alright. So, do you have your ongoing title?
Title?
Yang title, ongoing title. Judul yang sedang dibaca.
Romance.
Romance.
Yeah.
Do you remember what is the title?
Feel the title, sis.
Aduh, udah chapter lanjut lagi, kadang lupa.
I see. What about Sis Angel? Sis Angel, do you like reading Wattpad as well?
Wattpad, yes, but not usually. I choose to reading a book offline, sis.
Oh, I see. What kind of your favorite apa ya kalau buku tuh genre type of book? Fiction?
Fiction.
Fiction.
Fiction, sis, yes.
I see. Do you have
I like
favorite writer, Sis Angel?
J.K. Rowling, like
Oh.
yesterday, yeah.
That's
my favorite one.
I see. That's your favorite author.
Yeah,
So you
J.K. Rowling, it's good.
Yeah,
True.
I love her writing, her story as well.
Yeah.
Do you read the book in English version or translated version?
Sometimes English version.
Sometimes, but it's a long time. Need long time, sis, for the one book.
Yeah, because they have another level of vocabulary. Sometimes kalau novel-novel itu kan mereka they use vocabulary C1, C2 kayak vocab yang level C2, C1.
Iya,
Yeah, yeah.
kadang harus
Yeah,
Google Translate buat kayak takut salah
Bener banget.
nerjemahin.
that's right. Apalagi kalau misal itu kayak istilah-istilah yang melokal gitu yang kita
Yeah.
yeah.
Kayak di Harry Potter tuh. Ya Allah.
Yeah, so we have to put a lot of energy to understand the
Yep.
right meaning.
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from J.K. Rowling, is there another author? Probably Indonesian author.
Indonesian author I like.
Aku suka penulis Laskar Pelangi.
Yeah, me too.
Laskar Pelangi itu.
Ya,
I forget the name.
lupa lagi tuh.
Yeah.
I forgot too.
Ya, lupa banget.
Iya, yang keribu-keribu itu.
Terelia is good one.
Terelia it's good, ya. Terelia
Mhm.
it's good.
Web series and also JS Hairen, if you know that.
Yeah, I know.
Tapi kalau di Wattpad sekarang it's new outdoor gitu loh sis, new outdoor. Jadi kayak
Yeah.
orang-orang baru tapi ceritanya menarik. Nah itu I like it.
Ya, banyak yang bagus juga sih
Iya,
sebenarnya.
nggak nyangka kalau ternyata mereka
Refresh
punya
ya,
bakat gitu.
fresh banget.
And sometimes they adapt it and become a novel, right? Kadang ada beberapa yang novelin.
Ya, novel
Kadang-
and become movie
Kadang
too.
ceritanya misalnya udah selesai nih, udah end, dibikin sequelnya, tapi unik.
Iya.
Ya,
Sequel.
slice of life ya sis.
Iya.
Iya.
Iya lagi.
Iya kan? Udah kayak Avenger aja tuh.
Iya. Kayak Hunger Games 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
And then sometimes there is also a movie version that's like Mariposa, if I'm not mistaken, it's also adapted from a Wattpad kalau nggak salah, yang film
Yap.
Mariposa itu.
Iya betul betul.
Mhm.
But sometimes if the movie pemainnya sih kalau nggak cocok kayak jadi nggak males nonton karena udah baca.
Like it is out of our expectation.
Yeah, it's more expectation sih. Dan kadang di film tuh ada scene atau adegan yang dihilangin gitu loh, padahal it's the moment.
Yeah, that is the point. That is the scene,
Oh.
like the scene that we can wait for to see how that they remove that scene. Okay. Nah, kebetulan sekali guys. It's coincidence that today our topic is about this one, watch and retell. From the title, you can see that.
Menonton dan menceritakan lagi.
Yes, that's right. So today I will ask you to, probably you have watched it, and I want to ask you to retell about the movie that you have watched. Jadi hari ini Susana minta Francis untuk retell, menceritakan tentang movie, your favorite movie. Actually, it's not only a favorite, but probably the worst movie that you have ever watched or anything.
The last
And-
movie bisa sis.
The last movie boleh, the last movie,
Okay.
favorite movie, or the worst movie, atau film yang kayak paling enggak banget, itu juga nggak apa-apa.
Wah gila, kita udah kayak ini ya, juri ya.
Yeah, it's based on our personal opinion, kan itu opini pribadi.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so this is the point to tell. You have to mention the title, the character, which means who included in that movie. You can mention the real name of the artist, or if you don't know about their real name, just mention their name in the movie, and the setting, which is place and time. You can mention the year or the era, probably in the 90s era, in the 60s era, and then plots starting from intro, problem that happened in the movie, the climax, and resolution. And then the moral value of the movie and who
Fun ya.
it recommended for? Kayak ini tuh film recommended untuk siapa? For the one who broken heart, untuk orang yang baru putus gitu, baru patah.
Wede, nangis Bombay.
Miss
Iya.
Wiwi banget tuh.
Apaan dong? What? I'm not
For the one who
doing.
just fall in love, atau untuk orang yang lagi butterfly era, boleh. Okay, this is the sample answer. Ini adalah sample answernya. And I want to ask Bro Alpha, yang dari tadi diam saja. Oke, ready Bro Alpha untuk membaca?
There,
Oke, let's go Bro Alpha. Please,
I chewing.
oke, finish your food. Takut ketelan, takut ketelan tersedak.
Okay. Paragraph 1.
You can read all of them, semuanya.
Okay.
Hmm.
The movie I want to retell is Titanic. It tells the story of two main characters, Jack Dawson, a poor artist, and Rose Dewitt Bukater, a young woman from a rich family. The story takes place on the luxurious ship RMS Titanic during its first and last voyage in the year 1912. Jack and Rose meet on the ship and fall in love, even though they come from different social backgrounds. Rose engaged to a wealthy man named Carl Hockley, but she feels unhappy and trapped. The problems begins when the ship hits an iceberg and starts to sink. Jack and Rose struggle to survive in the freezing water. The climax of the story is emotional and intense, as Jack helps Rose stay alive until the rescue boat comes. In the end, Jack dies in the cold ocean, while Rose survives and lives a full life, never forgetting him. The movie teaches us that true love is about sacrifice, and that we should never let social class stop us from caring for others. It also reminds us to appreciate life. A word recommend Titanic to teenagers and those who enjoy romance, history, and emotional drama.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Bro Alpha. All right, this is the sample answer, bro, and this is the bold one, yang this Anna bold. That is the point to tell. For example, this is the title you mentioned around here, and then this is the name of the character, Jake and Rose. You can also give the the explanation about who is Jack, who is Rose, and also the settings, which is the place and also the time, and the plots. This is the first what happened. Jake and Rose meet on the ship, and then what happened the next, the problem that happened in the movie, the climax, and the resolution atau penyelesaiannya, endingnya seperti apa. And then the moral value, you can mention moral value afterward, and finished by the recommendation. Recommended, who is it for? Untuk siapa film ini? Okay. And welcome untuk Sisvidia yang baru gabung. Hai Sisvidia.
Hi, sis.
All right, so today we talk about movie, Sisvidia. After this, I will ask you to retell about the movie that you have watched. And this is the point that you have to mention. Ini poin-poin yang harus Sisvidia mention nanti. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
All right. Okay, so let's start, Bro and Sis. Langsung saja kita mulai from the first, probably, I think, Sis Angel. Ready?
Why I always the
Yeah,
number one, sis?
because your name starts from A.
Oh my god. Okay, I will try, yes, sis. Because I was thinking before, but it's okay. Okay, the movie I want to retell is John Wick. Because I just rewatched that movie in the last movie I had watched. So, okay, John Wick is about a man or husband who loving his wife very well, and sometimes in the night his wife just murdered by people or men who want to rubbish mencuri itu rubbish ya sis.
Theo.
Oh yeah, okay. Steal his car. And John Wick is very upset at the moment. Oh, still okay. Upset at the moment. So that's why John Wick is looking for the steal pencuri.
Lanjut
Pencuri
aja.
apa ya sis?
Gak apa, lanjut aja, Sis. Biar tidak terpotong-potong.
Kenapa sis?
Gak apa-apa, lanjut aja.
Okay. Yeah, by stealing ya. A thief, okay. Okay. And the place is that home. That's why the John Wick is John Wick wife was murdered, and the area I think in nowadays I don't know exactly. So that problem makes John Wick too very angry, and John Wick is the retired from the pembunuh berantai ya, and because of that because his wife murder, so he come to back again be a murderer. Ya, pembunuh ya sis.
Yeah,
Sorry,
murder.
forgot. Yeah, murder. And after that, it's the climax when John Wick looking for the thief, and the thief is son of the men who have powerful. So it becomes hard to murder the thief because John Wick want to life is by life. So after that, the moral value is John Wick is very loving his wife until the climax is John Wick is died, and his grave is beside of her wife. That's movies is recommended for maybe adult who the point is husband who loving his wife very well. Thank you, sis.
I see. Thank you so much, Sis Angel. Well, actually, the genre is thriller, ya, Sis.
Yeah, trailer and action, yeah.
Thriller and action. Okay, thank you so much. Well explained by Sis Angel. Tadi apa sih judulnya?
John Wick.
John Wick.
Yeah.
Thank
Sorry,
you so
sis.
much. Yeah, it's okay. No worries.
Yeah, my
Okay.
pleasure, sis.
For the next, Sis Wiwi, please.
Urutan gini.
Lain kali ganti nama sis kita sis.
Udah nama kue paling bawah. Okay, retell the story of Beautiful Mind movie. Beautiful Mind movie. The main character, John Nash. It's a brilliant mathematician who struggle with a mental illness called schizophrenia. And it's his wife. His apa her wife ya? His ya.
His wife.
His wife. Namanya siapa lupa. Bingung. Pokoknya it's the character patient wife, kayak sabar banget.
Hmm.
The setting, the story takes place in United States, mostly Princeton University. Yep.
Mhm.
And the setting is from the 90-an,
Around
90s.
6.
Yeah, 90s ya. Yep.
66.
Yep. And plot introduction. The movie tells the life story of John Nash. He is a smart but shy student at Princeton who wants to find a truly original idea. And he creates an important theory in mathematics called game theory. The problem, later John start working for a secret government agency, but in his mind, it's not real, and believe he is being followed by enemies. The climax, his wife, Alicia, yeah, his wife Alicia, it support him when he is diagnosed with schizophrenia, and apa ya, pengobatan, it's recovery to step by step for menolak, refuse ya dok, sis,
Refused.
ya refuse visual sesuatu yang mengganggu secara visual gitulah, tuh menolak hal-hal kayak gitu. Resolution, his wife support, and slowly John learns to live with his illness and continue his work. And then he wins the Nobel Prize in economics and earn respect from others. And moral value in this movie, never give up, even when life is difficult. Never give up. Love, family, and friendship can help us through hard times. Mental illness is real and can be managed with courage and support. And everyone has value no matter their weakness. And I think it's recommended for people who enjoy inspiring true story, and student and teacher, especially in psychology or medicine, and fans of drama or biographical movie. I think it's recommended. Dances,
So actually, it's based on true story, yes,
Yep.
Cecilia.
betul.
Oh, I see. Who is the name of the main character again?
Jonas,
Jonah.
Jonas,
Nas.
and he's have Gobel Award.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so it's kind of by
Nobel Prize in economics.
Nobel in economics.
Yep.
All right, thank you so much, Sis Vivi.
You're welcome, sis.
Okay, for the next is Sis Vidya, please.
Yes, sis.
Okay, let's go, Sis Vidya. Tell your favorite movie.
Okay. I want to tell you about Harry Potter.
Okay.
So the title is Harry Potter, and the main characters are the first one is Harry. He is a boy who finds out he's a wizard, and then he got two best friends. The first one is Ron Weasley. He's a red-headed boy from a big wizard family, and then the second one is Hermione Granger. She's a super smart girl who knows all the spells. Um oh, and then there's a villain called Lord Voldemort who is very scary and doesn't like muggles or non-magical people or good wizards. So the setting is most of the story happens in a magical castle called Hogwarts School, and it's in a hidden part of Britain, the UK.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the time is in 2000s. And the plot is it starts with Harry living with his aunt and uncle, but they're not very nice to him. And on his 11th birthday, he gets a magical letter and finds out he's a wizard. And then he gets to and then he gets to go to Hogwarts, where he learns about magic, plays Quidditch, or a game played on broomsticks, and makes wonderful friends. But there's a big problem. The problem is the evil Lord Voldemort, who tried to hurt Harry when he was a baby, is trying to come back and take over the Wizarding World. The Wizarding World. So Harry and his friends have many adventures trying to stop Voldemort and his mean followers. Like they solve mysteries, fight scary creatures, and use their brain and power. Uh, and Harry is very brave. Because he 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 got into a huge battle where good wizards fight bad wizards, and in the end, Harry defeats Voldemort and making the wizarding world safe again. So, the ending is Harry, Ron, and Hermione grow up to be happy adults, and their children get to live in a peaceful world.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the moral value of this story is teaching us how love is the strongest magic of all, how friendship helps us through thought times, and how being brave and making good choices can change the world. And I think it also shows us that everyone is special no matter where they come from. And this story is recommended for kids and grown-ups who love magic, adventures, or about French, or if they like friendship and something like that, I think. Thank you.
All right, well explained about Harry Potter by Sis Vidya. Thank you so much, Sis Vidya.
Thank you.
Have you read the novel, Sis Vidya, or just watched the movie?
I just watched the movie.
Watched the movie, okay, but it's
Yeah.
a detailed explanation. Nice. All right, for the next Bro Alpha, please. Okay, Bro
Wait,
Alpha.
sis.
Okay.
Wait. I set my. Okay, done. Let's
Please
talk.
tell your movie.
Okay. Okay. Retell the story of You Must Watch movie. Okay. Today I will tell you about the story of the movie that I was watch. But sorry, I was seldom to watch movie because I like playing game than watching movie. But for movie that I like, it's in the is the movie that was war, like in World War II, Modern War, or Cold War. Okay, the movie that I was watched today, I will tell you the movie that I like. The movie is Dunkirk. Dunkirk. The title of the movie is Dunkirk. It was a drama film from war history that released in 2017. It was it was sutradara it was by Christopher Nolan. The Dead End was by Emma Thomas and Christopher Nolan. The main character it was about main character that like in three main characters in Darit. It was Commander Bolton, Fortiser, that was Kenneth Branagh, Michael Caine, and Bernard. And the play setting in British when they when they was tried to beat the German ambition to control all Europe states and all Europe states. The year or era setting it's in World War II from 1939 to 1945. But in this film it was in 1940. The it was the it was start of World War II. And the plot begins with the Allied force, primarily British and French, retreating the beach of Dunkirk in France after being surrounded by the German army in 1940. And the opening scenes establish the desperate situation and the seemingly impossible task of evacuating hundreds of thousands of soldiers from the beach while under constant German attack. And for the problem plot of the story, it's focused on and it's the focus on the desperate situation of hundreds of thousands of British and French troops trapped by the German army, with the only escape route being across the English Channel. The story is told through the respective position on the page. Royal Air Force Royal Air Force pilots defending the skies and civil sailors who briefly sailed to Dunkirk to help with the evacuation. And the climax, for the climax, the climax is Tommy and Alex on a sinking ship. Mr. Dawson both rescuing soldier. Mr. Dawson's boat rescuing soldier and various final dogfight culmi- culminating in the successful but costly evacuation of hundreds of thousands of Allied troops. And emphasis the desperate struggle for survival and the collaborative effort both on land and in the air that allow for the evacuation to be considered a success despite the heavy losses. And for the resolution, this back in the 1940 evacuation of Allied soldiers from the beach and harbor first during World War II, its success. Soldiers on the beach waiting to be rescued, civil sailors across the English Channel, and Royal Air Force pilots. Cans that was fighting the German Luftwaffe plane. The, and they are successful of thousand Allied soldiers, feat held as of Dunkirk of the military defeat. The successful evacuation pushed British morale and prevented a potential collapse of the war effort. The surviving soldiers are heroes upon their to England, while the rescues are met with a mixed relief and reflection. For the value, it's we had to respect our heroes that was tried to
Okay, wait a minute. Sorry, Susana pause dulu.
defend our.
Sorry, Susana pause dulu sebentar ya, Bro Alfa. Because it is already 8:40, Susana bikin breakout room dulu untuk teman-teman yang lain. So that you can have a time to practice with each other. Nanti untuk yang belum, Bro Alfa and Bro Aji, bisa back to main room ya to tell your movie. Okay. Wait a minute, Susana bikin roomnya dulu. Untuk Sis Vidya, Sis Angel, and Sis Vivi. Oke. Nanti Bro Alfa bisa back to main room ya, Bro Alfa, to continue your story, okay? And Bro Aji juga. Alright, ini oke, Bro Alfa boleh dilanjutin, Bro, story-nya. Okay, welcome guys to the main room. Where is Sis Angel? Mana Sis Angel? Belum kembali. Hello deh.
Angel. Lah.
Angel.
Si Angel kemana?
And also Bro Aji, mana Bro Aji? Belum kembali. Kayaknya sudah out from the room. Alright, so Sis Vidya and Sis Wiwi, what are you talking about in the breakout room? Are you
It's
guys talking
all question, but it's seven question.
7 questions?
And improve because Sis Vidya love horror movie, and me and Sis Angel curious about her opinion about the horror local horror movie in Indonesia. Suster
Okay,
Keramas dan lain-lain.
Yes, yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay, what about Bro Alpha? Kalau Bro Alpha gimana? Kayak tadi Bro Aji leave ya Bro ya, Bro Aji leave.
I didn't talk the question because Bro Aji still focus to driving.
I see. Yeah, Bro Aji is driving. All right. So, gak apa-apa. So that Bro and Sis, because it is already 9 p.m. So probably we have to end this class. Kita tutup dulu kelasnya guys ya. Thank you so much Bro Alpha, Sis Wiwi, Sis Angel, and also Sis Vidya for coming today. We will meet again tomorrow, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Sisana.
Bye-bye,
Thank you,
sis.
everyone.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you.